Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to recover your Outlook account without a phone number. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how. Subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to recover Outlook account without a phone number, go to your web browser first and in the search box type in outlook.live.com. From the official website of Microsoft Outlook, tap on the Sign In button at the upper right corner. To start now, sign into your account using your email, your phone number, or your Skype ID. Once you do that, tap on the Next button. In order to recover Outlook account without a phone number, when asked for a password, tap on Forgot Password link right below. In order to verify your identity, tap on the email option and type in the hidden part of the email that is mentioned above. Simply enter the recovery email address for your Outlook account, and once you do that, tap on Get Code at the bottom right. Now you'll need to go to your email where you'll receive a code. You can enter in this page. Tap open the email and copy the recovery code. Go back to Outlook and enter the code right here. Now tap on the Next button and set a new password for your Outlook account. After typing the password, re-enter your password on the next row, and after you're done, tap on the Next button. Now your password has been changed. You've recovered your Outlook account when you've forgotten your password without the phone number option. Sign into your account by tapping on the Sign In button in blue at the bottom right. Enter your credentials like you normally do. Tap on the Next button after you're done. Now enter the password that you just reset. If you want to stay signed into your Outlook, then check this box right here that says Keep Me Signed In. After you're done, tap on the Sign In button. With this, you've successfully recovered your Outlook account. That was pretty easy. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.